Well friends, here is the next problem, and before going to the problem, let me read the given direction. The direction is, the words are given under column 1, their codes are given under column 2, without following the same order as in column 1. Find the codes for the letters of words in column 1 and find the codes for the given words or numbers in the questions. Now here are two columns, column 1 and column 2, in which column 1 contains some words and column 2 contains the codes for the letters which are present in the column 1. But the thing is that the codes are not in the same order as the letters are there in the first column. Now there are three problems which are based on the codes. So before solving the problem, first let us find out the codes for the letters which are present in the column 1. Now to code the letters, first I will consider a letter which is present at maximum places. And when you observe the column 1, the letter A is present at 3 places. That is CAR, ACT and TEAM. In these three cases, A is present. To find the code for the letter A, I will look for the number which is common in the codes for these three words. Now for that, let me consider these three numbers, that is 296 and 329, and for TAM it is 4132. It is 4132. I will look for these three numbers. When you look in these three numbers, the number 2 is common. Okay. So the number 2 is the code for the letter A. Okay. So what is the code of letter A? The code of letter A is what? 2. Now just I will rub these numbers as well as the letters A which are present at 3 places. Now well friends, once again I will code the letter which is present at maximum places, and when you observe this, the letter E is present at maximum places, that is it is present at 3 places. For that I will consider the word MEN and the TEM and SEND. These 3 words I will consider. Now, to code the letter E, I look for the number which is common in the codes for these words. That is, the number what I will consider here is 401 and 413 and 5048. These 3 numbers I will consider. Okay. In these 3 numbers, if you just observe, the 4 is common. That means the code for the letter E is what? 4. The code for the letter E is what? Is 4. Now I'll just rub these letters and numbers. Well friends, now I will consider the letter which is present at the maximum place. In this case I will consider C which is present at 2 places. Now to code for the letter C, I look for the number which is common in the codes for these words. I will consider these 2 words. To code the letter C, I will consider the number 96 and 39. Now when you observe these 2 numbers, 9 is common. That means that the code for the letter C is what? 9. The code for the letter C is what? 9. Okay. Now this C is gone. C is gone. 9 is over. Now what is left? Letter R is left, whose code is 6. Am I right? Now the letter R, the code is what? 6. Now this is also over. Now again R is there. Now what is the code for R? It is 6. It is over. Well friends, T is there and only one number is left. That means that the code for the letter T is what? 3. So the code for the letter T is what? It is 3. Now 3 is over and T is over. T is over. This T is over. T is over. Now what is left? M is left. That means only one number is left, which indicates the code for the letter M is what? 1. Let me write the code for the letter M is 1. Again, this is over. This is over. M is over. M is over. Am I right, friends? Fine. Now only one letter is left, that is N, and only one number is left, that is 0, which indicates the code for the letter N is what? It is 0. Let me write. The code for the letter N is 0. This is also over. Once again, N over, N over. Fine. Now friends, when you observe these two words, S is common. S is common. In these two, the only one number will be common. That is what? 8 is common, which indicates that the code for the letter S is what? 8. The code for the letter S is 8. Now 8 is over, 8 is over. That means S is over, S is over. Now I am left with only one letter, that is D. Also I am left with only one number, that is 5, which indicates the code for the letter D is what? 5. The code for the letter D is what? 5. Okay. Now D is over, it is over. Well friends, I am left with only one letter, that is U. Also I am left with only one number, that is 7, which indicates the code for the letter U is what? 7. The code for the letter U is what? 7. Okay. Now, using column 1 and column 2, we found the codes for the letters. And the codes are as follows. The code for the letter A is 2. For E is 4. The code for the letter C is 9. The code for the letter R is 6. The code for the letter T is 3. The code for the letter M is 1. The code for the letter N is 0. The code for the letter S is 8. The code for the letter D is 5. The code for the letter U is what? 7. Now we are having the codes for the letters. Now the solving the problem becomes easy. Now we'll see some problems. Well friends, here is the problem number 27. The question is ASCENT. That means we have to find the codes for these letters. Already we have found the codes for the letters. Only thing is that consider the question and write the codes. The question is what? ASCENT. Now what is the code for the letter A? It is 2. For S, look at S. S is 8. C is what? 9. E is 4. N is what? It is 0. T is what? The code for the letter T is what? 3. The only thing is that compare with the given options. The first option is 289, 289, 403, 403, which matches with our result. Therefore, option 1 will be the right option. Well friends, we'll see the next problem.